Isa lang. Start. First five. Ball and JS. Number 31. Pass to number 15. Kapit sa labas. 7 to shoot. Nilabas kay number 3. 29. No good. Rebound number 19. Number 3, tumirang tres, no good. Rebound number 19. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 3. First personal, first team foul. Sablay. Second attempt. Pasok. All. Kasi zero pa na. Sorry. 2-0. Number 7, tumira tres. 2 for 3. Tumirang tres. No good. On number 3. Same ball. 10 to shoot. Bounce pass to number 29. Balikin number 11. Tumira. No good. Rebound number 24. 7. Cross pass to number 3. Tumira 3. No good. Rebound number 24. Nabitawan. Pink ball. 31. Pinakabang ball. Tumirang tres or pink. No good. Rebound number 24. 7. Crossover. Pinasa kay number 3. Spin move. Tumirang tres, pasok. Number 11. Balikin number 11. Block from behind. Block by number 19. (24) 7, naghahanap ng papasahan. Cross pass to number 2. Fakes, tumirang tres. Pasok. Puro tres. Score natin, 9-2 in favor of Kusina. Good for 3. Tumirang tres. Good for 3. Raining threes by Kusina. Traveling violation. Bola ng Kusina. Number 3. Pinasa na bas. Tumira ulit ng tres. No good. Pass break to number 15. Out of bounds. Bola ng Kusina. Oras natin, 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 3. Pass to number 2, K7. Nilabas K7. Bounce pass to 24. Ikot. Mali yung ikot. Nakuha ulit yung 24. Reverse, no good. 29. Dire-diretso. No good. Rebound by number 3. Bounce back to 31. Number 2. Number 2. Tumiran 3. Pasok. Change 5. Change 5. Score natin. 15-7. In favor of Kusina. $26. 20. Finger roll. No good. Number 2. Foul. Counted plus a foul. Who's foul rep? 24. First personal, second team foul. Last one. Pasok. Number 12. Pass to number 7. Bounce pass to number 12. Number 7. Tumiran 3. Good for 3. Lahat ng tira nila ngayon, puro 3. Nilabas kay number 20. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 24. Number 12. Ganda ng pasa. Tumira ng 3. Pasok ulit. Ganda ng ball movement. Good for 2. Number 7. 23. Tumira ng 3. Bigyan 420. 420. Lead pass to number 18. Good for no good. Lumabas. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 6. Ng Kusina. First personal foul. First team foul. First team foul, loka. Medyo nag-counting lang din yan doon. Pascual. Number 7. No good. Ayaw ng 2. Gusto 3. Tumirol ng 3. No good. Cross pass number 18. Perimeter 2, good for 2 by number 20. Number 23. Pass to number 12. 12, dumidiskarte. Number 7, tumirang 3, no good. Rebound by 26. 18. Counting back. Pass number 6. Foul by number 24. Second personal foul, third team foul by number 24. No good. First attempt. Second attempt. Pasok. No good. Rebound by number 6. 26. Reverse. No good. Good for 2 by number 6. Bad pass. 14 to shoot. Tumirang press. No good. Naubos. Number 2, drives. Nabitawan. Kuha ni number 12. Number 7, good for 2. Oras natin, 1 minute and 20 seconds sa ating first quarter. 17 to shoot. Number 20, tumirang dress. No good. Nakuha ni 18. Good hustle to number 2. No good. Wala pa rin. Number 18. Counted. Last na foul. Who's foul rep? Number 7. Foul number 7. First personal, 14 foul. Counted foul. Last one. No good. Pero rebound ulit niya. No good pa rin. Kuha ni number 12. So number 7. So number 23. Balikin number 3. No good. Block from behind by number 26. Ay, 29. 26 by 29. Last 20 seconds. So 27.
Ah, 18 and 24 warning for technical lang.
18 and 24, warning for technical. 8 to shoot. Double warning yan, ha? Tumirang press. No good. 2. Score natin, 23-19 in favor of Kusina. Boss, pasuhin na lang ng mga bola. Bola. Bola ng Kusina. Bola ng Kusina. First possession ng JS. Babasa ang 4 lamang. 23. 23 drives. Floater. No good. Rebound by number 20. 29. 31. No good. 23. Pass to 19. Finger roll. Good for 2. Number 8. Pass to number 29. 3 seconds violation ng itlog. Hanap papasahan. Pass to number 12. 13 to shoot. Tumira ng 3. No good. Good tip. Same ball. Number 12. Good steal. Hindi nakuha. 9 to shoot. Tumira 3. No good. Bola pa rin nila. Tumira 3. No good. Rebound by number 31. Bounce pass to 29. Counted plus a foul. Timeout. Kusina. Who's fouled that? Foul number 19. Boss, yung mga bagong dating akit dito para malista yung pangalan. No good. Number 12, slowly dribbling the ball. Bigan tumirang 3. No good. Rebound by number 29. Of course, foul. Foul number 20. Foul number 12. 23 ano pinigil mo?
Tingin mo na lang muna 20 sa bigot.
Pingiral, no good. Number 15, good for 2.
Ito, 23.
Wala ka pinigil eh. $13 to shoot. Number 14, no good. Rebound by number 29. Bounce pass to 31. 29, no good. Nakuha ni number 8. No good. Bitin. Pass 1. Good for 2. Score natin, 27-23 in favor of Kusina. Number 15 to 29. Inabas, tumirang 3. Air ball. Good, good. 23. Jordan, hindi ko pa yung pinigil mo eh. 31. Tumira ulit ang 3. Page. Foul. Who's foul that? Foul number 30. Side down, side.
Ilan mo foul? 30.
First personal, second team foul. Bad pass. 10 to shoot. 11 to shoot pala. Ganda pass sa gilid. For 2, no good. Same ball. Oras natin, 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Iniipit. Same ball ulit. 9 to shoot. 9 to shoot. 9 to shoot. Intercepted. 5 to shoot. Tumirang 3. No good. Good for 2. Change 5, change 5. Score na.
20. Sa weekend kayo.
Score natin, 27-25 in favor of Kusina. One number 7. Step back 3. Air ball. 18 drive. No good. Foul number 7. Second personal, 13 foul. Second. Pasok, unang tira. Second attempt. Pasok ulit. Number 7, slowly dribbling the ball. Pass to number 3, nabitawan. Bounce pass to number 7, libre. Pinasa kay number 2, bounce pass to 24. Labas ulit kay number 2. Floater, good for 2. Number 4, 20, libre. No good. Rebound by number 2. To number 3. Good, walang tawag. Binigay kay number 2. For 3, no good. 20. To number 2. Easy 2. Kusina, anong apelido ng number 23? No good. Rebound by 24. Foul. Foul number 2. First personal, first team foul. Figueroa, no good. Bad pass. Nakuha ni number 2. Reset. 7, 10 to shoot. Intercepted. 18. Same ball, 15 to shoot.
Ayun pala. Okay na.
Good for 2. Number 7, tumirang 3, pasok, diretso. Good for 2. Number 3, slowly dribbling the ball. Tumirang 3, no good, kapos. Rebound by number 6. LeBron, no good. Steve by number 3. Number 3, cross. Foul sa baba. Who's foul rep? Foul number 18. First personal, second team foul. To shoot. Number 2, tumirang 3. No good. Pero nakuha number 7. Tumirang 3. Good for 3. He check. Napakainit nun. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 18. First personal, 4th team foul. 4th. Number 2. Number 4, tumirang 3. Good for 2 by number 2. Dikit. Score natin all 35 in favor of community. Behind the back. Bounce pass to 24. Tumira ng 3. No good, pero rebound pa rin number 3. Tumira ng 3 ulit. Heat check. Woo! Heat check. 18. Sagasa by number 18. Score natin 38-37. Good ball interception. 12 to shoot. Bounce pass to number 2. Traveling, una step. To number 18. Yan na naman. Number 6, technical jumper. Good for 2. Score natin. Lamang na lang isa ang JS Construct. 35 seconds sa ating second quarter. Good steal? No. 10 to shoot. No good. Easy 2. Easy 2. 12 seconds. Tumira 3, no good. End of the second quarter. Final score natin, 41-38. Lamang ang JS Construct. Go! Bola na lang, bola mga pogi. Bola, bola. Yan. Bola ng JS Construct. Bola ng JS. Aling bola, boss?
Ito isa.
Sa 24. Number 18. Balik kay tumira ng 3. Airball. Good morning. Good morning, brother. Tumira ng 3. No good. Follow up by 19. No good. One number 3. Number 8. Pass to number 3. Balik kay 18. Ayan na. Step back. No good. Rebound by number 3. Easy 2 by number 29. Behind the back. Tumira ng 3. No good. Air ball. Libre. Good for 2. By number 29. For 2. Number 30. Pass to number 12. Bigay kay 23. Libre. Nabitawan. Foul. Good foul by number 12. Foul number 12.
Second personal.
First.
May foul na yung kanina. Para may foul na yung kanina.
First personal, first is now. Okay. Ganda ng reverse. Ganado si number 29. 3 for 3 by number 29. Open substitution na tayo for third quarter. Tumirang 3. No good. Rebound by number 30. Tumirang 3. No good ulit. Nagpapaulan ng 3. Kabila. Bola ng kabila. Bola ng JS. Number 19. Number 12, tumira 3. No good. Good hustle by 19. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul sa baba. Foul number 8. First personal, first team foul. Good pass. Pasok. Ganda ng pasa. Unexpected. 31. To number 8. 31. Fade away. Good tip. Good tip in. Number 12. 8 to shoot. Tumira 3. No good. Rebound 31. Nakuha ni 31. No 29. Balik kay 29. No good. Kuha ni number 12. To 30. Stop and pop. No good. Parang Sanchez lang. Tumira 3. No good ulit. Rebound by number 18. 31. Libre-libre si number 3. Good for 3. Good for 2.
Boss, lapit dito, hindi namin kita.
Number 12. Pass sa labas. Number 30. Pass sa gitna. Nilabas kayo 23. Tumirang 3. Good for 3. Number 8, tumirang 3, no good. Rebound by number 12. Good pass. Drive, easy 2 by 24. Mali. 5 na lang ang lamang. Goods pa rin yung timeout niyo, boss? Timeout, good pa rin? Tab lang, okay. Tumirang 3. No good. Andrew. Ipod ka kayo doon. Hindi kasi nila kita eh. Tumilang 3. Good for 3. Para kita ng mga ano. Kumahabol. No good pa rin. Number 8, ganda ng pasa. Kala ko nabitawan lang. Good for 2. By 29.
Ah, 49.
Score collection, 49 na ang kusina. Tumirang 3. Good for 3. Isa na lang ang lamang. Hindi. 3 seconds violation. Substitution. Ay, Coroleto, bawal na kasi hindi ka nakalaro ng first minute ng third quarter. House rules siya, nandun yun sa, ano namin, sa post. Dapat start ng third quarter, pumasok ka na dapat. Isa-isa lang, isa-isa. Substitution. Number 4 to number 20. Libre. No good. Diretso. Kaya lang, sablay. Number 6. Good for 2. Match lang, match. Yeah. 23. Balik 23. Pass to number 12. 10 to shoot. Bad pass. Substitution. Pasok, labas, pasok. Sabi ng tatay. Pass to number 11, 31, 20. Good for 2. Tumira ng 3. No good. Intercepted. No count. Substitution. Number 2, second personal, second team foul.
Combine kasi yan, sabi niya. White, green, so isa naman white, green. Kaya hindi ko alam na majority white. Lining na pala.
Oo. Uy, ganda kala. Michael Jackson. May Michael Jordan pala. Michael Jordan pala. Kala ko Michael Jordan na. Number 7. Bounce pass. Pinas sa labas. Tumiran 3. No good. Good hustle. Bola ng JS Construct. Pare, lupit sana lang pare. Sayang.
Yung number 1 ng MGs na yung tumasa ng ganun.
Hindi. Tumiran 3.
Yung bagong MGs, number 1, magaling mo mga ito. Point guard talaga.
10 to shoot. Tumiran 3. Bang! Parang Sanchez lang, galawan. Number 3. Pass to number 7. Hit check. Naubos. Naubos sa first half. Good interception by number 3. Good for 2. Last 17 seconds. Bounce pass. Tumira ng 3. No good. 5 seconds. End of the third quarter. Score natin 60-56 in favor of JS Construct. Bola ng kusina. Fourth and final quarter. Sa 24. Naubos si number 7. Wala na talaga. Tumiran 3. No good. Rebound by number 4.
Yun o.
Inulit. Binawi. Lupit. Thirteen to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 6.
Finger roll. Taunting.
Technical number 4. Taunting.
Talaga yun.
Taunting number 4. Pasok. Tosti. Ano lang, bugso ng damdamin. Bugso, ano lang, nadala. Lupit mo naman ang ginawa mo eh. Oo. Number 12. Labas. Tumira, number 3. Step back 3. No good. Foul. Foul number 8. Number 8. Second personal, first team foul. Number 20, libre. Wala sa ano ngayon si number 20. No good. Sayang tira yung Kirby. Rebound by 7. Number 2 pala. Tumirang 3. No good. Number 7. Ganda hesitation. No good, airball. Tumama pala. 31, libre. Timeout. Kusina. Score natin, 66-57. Tama?
Hindi sabi mo sa akin doon. Kilala yan.
No good. Rebound by number 2. One and one. Number 6. Big boys game. No good. Good rebound by number 19. 23. Step back 3. Kapos. Pass to the bus. Foul. Who's foul left? Foul number 4. Second personal foul. First team foul. Floater. No good. Substitution. Balot kayo ng balot. May balot na tayo dun, oh. Balot. Number 4. To number 6. Good find. Para sa okay. Good find. Number 12. Step 3. No good. Quality number 4. Oh! Yun lang, bad pass by number 4. 19. Layup. No good. Good block. Kaya lang nakapasok pa rin. Good block. Okay. Number 6. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. No good.
Mercado, sub ka?
Same ball. Running time tayo. Last 2 minutes tayo. Stop time. Tumiran press. No good. Nakuha ni number 3 ulit. Number 2 pala. Ani ng big boy. 31. Foul number 3. Atak daw.
Foul number 3. Ilang personal? Number 2. Number 3. Sub po, sub. Number 3. Ay.
Second person. Foul. Foul number 24. Substitution. 24, third personal, 13 foul. Ikot daw. Libre. Derecho. Binivisualize ko, Albert, kung paano. Binivisualize ko kung paano. Kuha mo, pare. Number 3. Tumira. No good. Oras natin, 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Nilabas. Perimeter. No good. Rebound by number 19. Ganda nun. Number 20. Drive. Good block. Bola down. Good block by number 19. Foul. Substitution. Shooting foul yun. Foul number 6. Blocking foul.
Ako shooting ba? Hindi.
Tuloy tayo. Second personal, second team foul. Tama? Tumira. No good. Number 3. Bad pass. Number 18. Bigay kay 12. 23. Timeout. JS Construct. Score natin 70-64 in favor of JS. Mahaba pa. Ganda ng tunog ng tira eh, no? Back to the ball game. Let's finish this.
Sige lang timeout na lang. Dalawa lang timeout na lang.
Pinapasayaw. 31. 10 to shoot. Nabitawan. Sobrang sa Chacha. Good pass. 23. Bang! Tatlo na lang ang lamang. 115. 18. Easy lang daw, Mirasol. 15 to shoot. Spin move. No good. Kuha niya ulit. Bounce pass sa 15. Perimeter jumper. Bumuka ka. No good. Pero nakuha ni number 3. Foul. Counted plus a foul. Foul number 15. First personal 13 foul. Substitution. Score natin 70-69 in favor of JS. Ganda ng laban na to. Pero mas maganda yung laban na sunod. Foul. Foul number 18. Foul number 18. Third personal, 14 foul. 14 foul. Third. Hindi, captain ball yun. Big boy ulit. 7 to shoot. Nabitawan. Number 3. Wala. Number 4. Unstoppable force. Bang. Stop and pop. Cross pass 23. Stop and pop. No good. Last 1 minute and 27 seconds. No good. Good for 3. All 72. No good. Dagger sana. Tumira yung 3. Bang! Number 6. Foul. Time out. JS Construct. Who's target? Number 24. Ilan time out nila? Penalty. Kayo? 3. No good. Pasok. Number 20, number 18. Foul. Foul number 4. First personal. Third personal. Fourth team foul. Bad pass. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul number 31. First personal penalty. Penalty. Pasok. Through shot. Pasok. Thirteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 2. Final score 79-73 in favor of Kusina. Pero pigil.